Second skin, good Detner, and we have a few of these little sheets, and we've got a port and a song. That didn't take long.
No. You have a lot of people here.
Fuck it. Hold on. No, hold on. I got an idea.
I'm gonna stack them.
No, stack them like all like right here. It'd be even cool. Oh, it's still recording. Sorry. So we're getting bored here because we're at a. You can't demo at Sweet Sounds. God, it's not even focusing. Look at Russ. Look at. Oh, there you go. Now we got Russ. Yeah, we're at Sweet Sounds. We're it's a pretty good show, pretty good turnout, but we're trying to have a little fun because we're bored because we really can't demo and both windows are obviously sealed shut on both sides. So I'm gonna start just tossing shit in the port and we're gonna see how well it does. Alright, hold on.
Check this out, what's up? It's your motherfucking boy Lil Jon. Feel me click, yes. I just gotta get some shit on my chest. Let it out. There's a lot of fuck niggas been talking shit about me, but you know what? Pussy nigga, I don't give a fuck. I'm a real nigga. A real nigga handle this motherfucking business. Like my niggas about to do right now.
What the fuck is all this white stuff? Okay, now we got a bunch of white stuff in the car. This could be bad.